Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Today's our new chapter is chapter number 5, lines and angles. First of all, lines. Recall the previous class. First definition of line is line segment. What is a line segment? If we meet 2 points, if we directly meet 2 points, this is called a line segment. If we meet directly 2 points called a line segment. So this is our a line segment. Here is point A and point B. We will meet these points with the help of a scale. With the help of a scale, we draw here a line. These are the two ending points. Point A and point B called end points, because here the line is over, so A and B are called end points. Now second definition is line. What is a line? If we meet point A and point B, but there are no any end point. Here is A and line is taken over from this point. Here is B, line is taken over from this point. This is called a line. If any line segment having no end point then it called a line. If there are no end point, that this called a line. The distance of this line is infinite. The line is many more large from the line segment. The next definition is ray. If a line segment having only one end point, if a line segment having only one end point, this is called a ray. Here is a point is A. If any line segment having only one end point, then it called a ray. Here point A is only one end point. A is the only one end point. B is not a end point because the line is passing from this point. Now next definition is angle. The angle is formed by intersecting of two line segment or two rays. Here is a line segment and here is also another line segment. When these are cutting each other, this is called a vertex. This is called a vertex. Intersection point is called vertex, and here is the angle. The distance between these lines. Intersecting point called vertex. The intersecting point called the vertex, and here is the angle which is denoted by theta, or we can say that this is over x. This angle is over x. So these are the basic definition. Line segment having two endpoints, line having no endpoint, ray having only one endpoint, angle, the intersection of two lines made a angle. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our another definitions. In the topic of angle, let some definitions. First is complementary angle. First definition is complementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they called complementary angle. This is a angle of 30 degree and this is angle of 60 degree, then these angles called a complementary angle, because the addition of these angle 30 plus 60 is equal to 90, so these are the complementary angle. Now next definition is supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they called supplementary angles. I am taking first a angle which is 130 and taking the another angle which is 150. 30 plus 150 is equal to 180. 30 plus 150 is equal to 180. So these are the supplementary angles. Now another definition is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. If two angles having a common vertex and having a common arm, then they called adjacent angles. Here are the two angles, one is x and another is y. There are the two angles, two angles having common vertex. The vertex of angle x is this point and y is this point. These are the common. So common vertex having common arm. The arm of x is this and arm of y is this. So these angles having a common arm, another are the different, but one having only one arm as a common part. These are the adjacent angle, yes, and here the angle is 1 and angle is 2. Having a common arm, but vertex is different, so this is not a adjacent angle. This having a common arm, but the vertex are different, so these are not the adjacent angle. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our another definitions. Now our next definition is linear pair angle. If sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then they called linear pair angle. The basic definition of this is, if we draw a line, taking a point on this line and another line from here, these angles, sum of these angles is 180. Assume that this is 40, then this is 140 degree. Adjacent angle having common vertex. Vertex of 40 is this, vertex of 140 is this. Having a common side, the common side is this. With sum is 180, 140 plus 40 is equal to 180. Then these called linear pair angle. Now next definition is vertical opposite angle. The next definition is vertical opposite angle. If two line segment intersecting each other, then there are two equal pair of angle. There are two equal pair of vertical opposite angles. If two line segment intersecting, this is first line segment and this is the second line segment, they are intersecting. So here the angles are 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are the 4 angles. The vertical opposite angles, the opposite angle, one opposite is 3, opposite of 1 is 3, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3. These are the vertical opposite angle and equal. This is equal. Now another pair is 2 and 4. There are opposite angles, so vertical opposite angles, angle 2 and 4. This is the pair, this is the pair. There are 2 pair, 1 and 2. There are 2 pair and equal. 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 4. The opposite angles are equal. These are the vertical opposite angle. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now I am taking exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1, our question number first, find the complement of each of the following angles. What is the complement? Complement angle, complementary angle. First of all, definition of complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they called complement of each other. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they called complement of each other. Let us, for example, 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. So complement of 30 is, the complement of 30 is 60 and complement of 60 is 30. Complement of 30 is 60 and complement of 60 is 30 for making the angle of 90 degree. Now we will take the question. First part, let assume the complement angle is x. Complementary angles x plus the sum of two angles is 90 degree, so x plus 20. This is the sum. First angle given is 20 and complement is x, so x plus 20 is equal to 90. Sum is 90. Now find the value of x. Subtracting 20 from both sides. X plus 20 is equal to 90. This is our equation. Now subtracting 20. 20 and 20 is cancelled. X 70. So complement of 20 is x and value of x is 70. This is our answer of first question. Now taking second one, let assume the complement angle is y. Let assume the complement angle is y. The definition of complementary angle, y plus the sum of two angles y plus 63 is equal to 90. Subtracting 63 from both sides. So equation is y plus 63 is equal to 90. We will subtract 63 and 63 cancel, y is equal to 27. So this is our answer. The complement of 63 is 27. This is our answer. Now taking part third. The third part, let assume complement angle is z. Let assume complement angle is z. The definition of complementary angle, z plus sum of two angles is 90. Z plus 57 is equal to 90. Subtracting 57 from both sides. The equation is z plus 57 is equal to 90. Now subtracting 57, minus 57 and minus 57. 57 and 57 cancel, z is equal to, when we subtract this we get 63. So complement is 63. The complement of 57, the complement of 57 is 33. 90 minus 57 is 33. So complement is 33. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now I am taking question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. Here are the three angles. Find the supplement angle, supplementary angle. The definition of supplementary angle. First of all, the definition of supplementary angles. What is the definition of supplementary angles? If sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they called supplement of each other. For example, 30 plus 150 is equal to 180. So supplement of 30 is 150 and supplement of 150, which is 30. So what is the supplementary angle? If the sum of two angles is 180, then they called supplement of each other. So for example, 30 plus 150 is equal to 180 degree. Here are the two angles, sum of these is 180. Now supplement of 30 is 150. How to make 30 to 180? We will add 150. So supplement of 30 is 150, supplement of 150 is 30. These are the supplements. Now we will take our question. Part first. First of all, let assume supplement angle is x degree. Let assume supplementary angle is x degree. By definition of supplementary angle, sum of two angles x plus sum of two angles is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now find the value of x. Subtracting 105 from both sides. The equation is x plus 105 is equal to 180. Now we will subtract 105 from both sides. Here plus and minus will be cancelled. So x 180 minus 105. The answer is 75. So supplement angle is 75. Taking the second part. Let's assume supplementary angle is y degree. Now we will find the value of y. By definition of supplementary angle, the sum of two angles is 180 degree. The sum of two angles, first angle is y and given angle is 87. Now we will subtract 87 from both sides. Subtracting 87 from both sides. Y plus 87 is equal to 180. This is our equation. Now we will subtract 87. This is plus and minus will be cancelled. So here is y 180 minus 87. So this is over 93. This is over 93. So supplementary angle is 93. Supplementary of 87 is 93. Now taking part third. Let assume supplementary angle is z degree. From definition of supplementary angle, sum of two angles, first is z, second is 154. The sum of two angles is 180 degree. Now we will remove 154, subtracting 154 from both sides. The equation is z plus 154 is equal to 180. This is our equation. Now subtract 154 from both sides. Minus 145 154 154. Here is plus and minus, so cancel. Z is equal to, when we subtract this is over 26. So z is equal to 26 is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. The another questions will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.